I think sinagot ko na kanina, no, na sabi ko, I'll be very honest, may epekto talaga. Kasi hindi lang naman ikakaila na marami rin isang supporters, especially in Mindanao and even in the Visayas. So, meron. Ngayon, ang tanong mo kung mali o tama, only time will tell. Hindi yan masasagot ngayon. Yung history books na magsasabi dyan. Saka pala malalaman niya kung tama o mali pagdating ng takdang panahon. Yung takdang panahon na yun, hindi ngayon. Yeah, ako, personally ito, opinion naman, na sagot ko na rin kung dati. Yung International Criminal Court is the global court for the powerless, no? Meaning, court of last resort. Yung kanilang general jurisdiction, ito yung nagdidil sa mga war crimes, genocide, crimes against humanity. Doon nakapokus yung kanilang jurisdiction. And halimbawa, ma-invade tayo ng ibang bansa, without referring to any particular country. Baka kung hindi tayo miyembro, hindi tayo makasik ng redress o hindi tayo makapag-complain kasi hindi tayo recognize kung sakali mayroong mga war crimes na nakomit dito nung bansang hypothetical ito na mag-i-invade. So ako, ang personal opinion ko, we should rejoin yung and I limit my answer to my personal opinion na sabi ko nga, global court for the powerless. Ito yung universally abhorred crimes committed against a group of people. Binanggit ko na, genocide and so forth and so on. So, yun, very strong ano ko dito, we should rejoin.